Hey guys. Sorry, I saw that coming the way he was looking at me. Sarah here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus. The regular Ipsy bag is now $12 a month. In here we should have 5 samples, deluxe samples, sometimes full-size products catered to our beauty profile. On the profile for this bag, I am interested in more adventurous makeup, very makeup heavy, have different age, different eye color, different hair color, all that kind of stuff. And then in the Glambag Plus, this is my normal profile, so more neutral makeup, correct age, hair color, eye color, all that stuff. With Ipsy now, you can pick one item for each of these boxes / bags. I don't remember what I picked. I never remember what I picked. I don't even know if I picked, so we will find out together what's in these boxes. Not sure if I mentioned the regular glam bag is $12 and the plus is $25 now. Ipsy also offers a ultimate box, which I think is $50. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of these. So for this one in particular, it will have samples, so I will research the value of those and put that down there. So if you're interested in that, make sure you're always clicking that open. Okay, let's just go ahead and start. We're gonna start with the regular glam bag. So this is the bag this month. It's like this marble right here, and then it's got like a blush pink sort of color. It feels like plasticky, but like soft plastic, if that makes sense. Let's go ahead and grab the card that will give us the theme for the month. Okay, so the theme for this month is Clean Slate. Well, that's new. So this card, unless there's another card hidden in there, nope, there's not. It used to have like the full-size values of things, I think, but it used to list everything that we were getting in here and like what those items were and like why they were chosen, just a little bit more about the items. So not sure if this is a new thing that Ipsy is going with or just for this month, so not sure. Okay, there was something on the outside of my bag, so I will show you that first. This is from Luxie. This is a Luxie fan brush. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic because I have currently 2 fan brushes and I don't really use these that much, so this I will just save for a giveaway. I don't know how much it's valued at. Normally Ipsy brushes are like $10, so got that. It is very pretty. This is the 560 medium fan. Okay, so let's get to the things inside the bag. I keep wanting to say box. Okay, so right here I have from Ciate London. This is the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Mine's in the shade Matchmaker. So it's just like this little tiny thing. I'm probably not going to swatch this because I don't really enjoy illuminating blushes so much. How do I open this? It is very pretty. Like I said, this is the adventurous profile. It's not really for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw this into a giveaway or pass it on to a friend. It is very pretty. Like I said, I just don't like illuminating blushes. If I want any illumination up here, I just use a highlighter. Not sure if I mentioned Ciate London is cruelty free. Okay, the next thing I have is from Context, which I believe is cruelty free. I can't quite recall if this is cruelty free. I feel like it is though. Anyways, this is a liquid lacquer in the shade Mad Love. I do enjoy the packaging. It's just sort of really simple, black and white. Okay, so here is the color. It is a color I like, but if you guys could see how many colors I have that are exactly like this, let me just show you. I have like a little drawer full of colors just like this. So this little drawer right here is like my nude lip sort of color, and if you see, like I have colors just like this tart one, a little bit similar, Ofra also a little bit similar. Like I just have tons of colors like this. So I'm not going to be using, I don't think. Maybe I will save it, not sure. I'm thinking of doing like a lipstick declutter. I have tons and tons of lipstick and I just need to go through it. So let me know if you'd be interested in seeing declutter videos. I enjoy watching declutter videos, so I thought maybe I would do them because I really do need to go through all my makeup. So let me know if you want to see that. But this color right here will probably go to a friend or into a giveaway. Okay, So the next thing I have is from Purlisse, which is cruelty free. This is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. And I believe I have this. Maybe not. It gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes. So it does have a safety seal on it, so I probably will just go ahead and throw this into a giveaway too. I just have a lot of stuff right now, so I'm trying to work through all of it. But until then, unless I really need something or really want to try something, a lot of the stuff's just going to be going into giveaways. I have a huge box of giveaway stuff, so I need to go through that too and post that soon too. So if you want to see when the giveaway goes live, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Okay, and the last thing I have in this is wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, this is from Realher. This is an eyeshadow in the shade Incomparable. Hi, ma'am. Okay, so here's the color. It's like a basic color. Again, probably will go into a giveaway. I'm not a huge fan of eyeshadow singles. Even when I put them into like a magnetic palette, I don't reach for them just because it's not like a cohesive thing. It's just like a bunch of random stuff in a palette. So this will also probably go into a giveaway. As for this matching the profile, I don't think it's a great match. The eyeshadow is very basic. The blush was the only thing I thought that was like bold and adventurous. The lip color is something pretty muted and neutral. I do like the brush too, but as far as like makeup goes, not the best bag for the profile, but it is a good bag overall. Okay, let's get into the Glambag Plus. So this will be my profile, so I'm curious to see what we have in here. I never have anything to open stuff with, so I'm gonna grab my tweezers. There we go. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks just like this. Okay, well that's interesting. Okay, so let's see this card. Okay, so this one does have everything we're getting, and it does have the values listed. So I'm not sure what went on with the regular box. Kind of interesting. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and pull out the one thing I'm seeing that's a duplicate. Oh, never mind. It's not a duplicate, but mine is opened. So this is from Purlisse. This is the Prevent Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. I'm not sure if you can tell. It's been leaking in here somewhat. It's all over my stuff. So I will contact Ipsy. I will say the last time I contacted them, I'm not sure if you remember, I got that GG Gorgeous bronzer. It looked like it was nicked. And so I contacted them. They immediately sent out the replacement. And the replacement I got was not that. It was the Lovecraft 3's bronzer thing that I'd already gotten in a box. So not sure like if they just run out, so they just send you something random. So I'm going to contact them about that because it is open and leaking all over everything. Okay, and this is valued at 58 bucks. Kind of expensive. The next thing I am pulling out is from Sugar, which is cruelty free. This is a Wingman waterproof microliner in I'll Be Black. It's kind of a cute name. So there is. Let's go ahead and see what we're dealing with here as far as what the applicator looks like. Okay, so it's just like a typical felt tip eyeliner. So there it is. It's pretty black. We'll see what it dries down like. I have been actually using more eyeliners like this just because I've been trying to go through them all. I normally prefer like an automatic liner, I call that. You twist up and it's just like a crayon sort of thing is how I would compare it to. But I do have quite a few of these styles, so I'm trying to go through them all. So I definitely will give this a go. It is valued at $11.99, so pretty affordable. The next thing I have is from Nature's Cartel, which I've never heard of this brand. It does say vegan and cruelty-free right on the back though. Looks to be some sort of lipstick. Yes, it is a lipstick in the shade 90s Nostalgia. I have a feeling I'm not going to like this. So there it is, and then it's got the leopard on the side. They're kind of cute. Okay, let's see what 90s Nostalgia is going to look like. It's like they're really hiding it from me, so let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know why. It smells like old. You know, like lipsticks get like that Play-Doh kind of scent. That's kind of what it smells like. That's weird. It looks like it's gonna be like shiny, and it's not really that shiny. So I do like the color. Okay, that is valued at 15 bucks. Okay. There's sort of like cheap stuff in here. Not cheap, but like cheaper than normal. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I have is, what is this? This is a pink milk mask. Why is it so heavy? So there's three in, so there's three in each of these, and it's, looks to be some sort of K-beauty, which is always really difficult for me to find out if they're cruelty free or not. So I'm not seeing anything on here. I'll look into it, but I do have 6 of them, which is kind of a lot. And 6, wow, $14.98 for 6. So these are fairly affordable as well. Okay, so got that. I probably will, maybe, depending on if they're cruelty free, hold on to one set of 3 and throw the other 3 into a giveaway. I have a ton of sheet masks. I don't need 6, really. Okay, I guess I'll show you the bag too before we get on to the last item. So this is the bag for this one. So it's a little bit different than the other one. I do like the other one a tad bit better. I don't know why they would do the silver part here, but I like the other bag a little better. All right, so the last thing I have is from Huda. This is the Ruby Obsessions eyeshadow palette right there. And it's wrapped in plastic, which is kind of annoying. What are you eating? What'd you find to eat? Okay. Okay, thank you. So yeah, I had just this little plastic thing on it. Huda is cruelty free though. So, let's see, hopefully this didn't get damaged from that stuff leaking. Okay, so there it is. It's super pretty. I don't particularly love the 2 purple shades there, just because I don't like the color purple, despite what I'm wearing today. I do have another Huda palette that I've used a little bit. Can I help you, sir? What? So there's the other one I own. You can see I've just used a couple shades in it. I do like it. It's nothing like mind-blowing to me, but I have used it. I probably will use this one as well. Go ahead and do a couple swatches. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that purple shade I don't like just to see what it, oh, it's not even purple. What are you destroying over there, caterpillar? Okay, so let's do right here. Oh, I forgot I had that lipstick on. Oh no, it's not lipstick. I thought I had lipstick on my hand, but it's on this hand. I hate swatching. I don't hate swatching, I just don't like the way swatches feel on my skin. I am gonna dip into this peach shade right here again, just to see if I can deepen up the swatch. So yeah, it looks pretty buildable. The shimmers are nice. That one is actually more pink than purple. I do like this dark one. It's like, see how it's got like a duochrome sort of thing? Like it's kind of purple, but kind of black. And then when you look at it, it also looks a little brown. So that's kind of neat. I do enjoy that. Let me go ahead and wipe this off my fingers. I hate swatches. Because I forget about them and then I walk around with makeup all over me. Okay, so let's see. Let's get a value on the Huda palette. 27 bucks. So, I mean, it's kind of small, but I like small palettes. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I enjoy not being overwhelmed with so many like color choices. And I feel like when the pans are a little smaller, I feel like I'm able to make a dent in them and like maybe get through some of it. Whereas some of these palettes, I feel like I've had them for years and it doesn't look like I've even used them. Okay, so that's everything for the Plus. This might be the first time I like the Plus box a little better. I don't know, I didn't really love either one of them, but I think the Plus one might be just a smidge better than the regular Glambag. As far as this going with the profile, I think it goes okay. The red palette is not the most like neutral sort of makeup, but it is nice. So everything else seems to go pretty well. I do think the Glambag Plus box matches the profile more than the regular Glambag matches the Adventurous profile. stepping all over my words today. But yeah, so that's everything I got in my bag slash boxes. I'd love to know what you guys thought of mine and what you got in yours. If you get either one of these or both of them, or if you even get the ultimate, let me know down below what you got in yours and if you liked yours this month. But yeah, so that's all I have for today. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this for me, more unboxings, more little doggies. Oh yes. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye, guys. I know you're a superstar. Everybody loves you. You're the best.